Hey guys, we are all excited about the upcoming Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra, most especially because of its features. But in this video, I'm going to be pointing out some important details that you guys need to know. Okay, so first and foremost, the Armor 28 Ultra, according to its leaked details, would be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. This means that the Armor 28 Ultra would be the most powerful rugged device. The Armor 28 Ultra will be able to compete with the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, especially in terms of performance. So that's how powerful the rugged phone would be. And I'd like to point out that because of this, the Armor 28 Ultra would be very expensive, and that is of course if it truly launches with the Dimensity 9300 Plus. Although that is not a guarantee, because it's possible that Ulefone might remodel the Armor 28 Ultra, but I'm only speculating. And this is because the Armor 23 Ultra, to give you an example, was originally meant to be launched with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, but the 23 Ultra was remodeled and the chipset was changed from the 8 Gen 1 to the Dimensity 8020. So the same thing can happen to the Armor 28 Ultra. But if the Armor 28 Ultra is launched with the Dimensity 9300 Plus, then yes, it's going to be very expensive. So you need to have that in mind. So this is just the heads up that I have for you guys. I'd like to hear your thoughts. What do you think about what I just said? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And of course, the Armor 28 Ultra is set to launch in November, so during that time we'll get to know its official price. But feel free to share your thoughts, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.